Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we will learn 4 laws of Surds. So before we dive into the 4 laws, what is Surd? Surd is an irrational number, something like root 2, root 3, because you cannot convert this into a fraction with integers. So that is called irrational. So the first law is if you have two surds are being multiplied. Let's say you have an equation like square root of a and b, then you can convert it to square root of a times square root of b. An example, let's say square root of 6 is square root of 2 times 3. This is equal to square root of 2 times square root of 3. So this is the first law. The second one is the quite opposite of this one, is when you have a surd something like this, square root of a over b, this can be converted into square root of a divided by square root of b. Let's have an example. If you have 3 over 2, then this is equal to square root of 3 divided by square root of 2. Then third one, and let's say if you have a number, then you can convert this into square root of a to square. Okay, so you can even go further. If you remember the laws of indices, you can also write this into cube root of a to the power 3, or you can write fourth root of a to the power 4, and so on and so forth. So you can able to split an integer into square of surd. And the last one is applying the difference of two squares in surds. For example, if you have a minus b, this is essentially using the rule 3 previous one, square root of a to the power square minus square root of b to the power square. So you can write a into square root of a square and b into square root of b square. This is in format like difference of two squares. So this can be converted into plus square root of b square root of a minus square root of b, to see how we can use the rules that we learned so far. So you're expanding bracket square. So what we can do is we can write this one like this, times is a square, so we will repeat the same thing tricks. Then what we can do, in order to expand this bracket, we can go for the crab claw technique. So if you look at this graph, this is 1, first, second multiplication, third one, 4. So we will have 4 multiplications. The first one is this times this one, so 2 root 5 times 2 root 5. Second one is this into this one is 2 root 5 times 3 root 6. The third one is 3 root 6, this one into this one, 3 root 6 times 2 root 5. The last one is this one with this one, 3 root 6 times 3 root 6. So if you look at the first term here, 2 times 2 is 4, root 5, I will write the remaining as it is. And let's do the same thing, 2 times 3 is 6, root 5, root 6. And the third term, 3 times 2 is 6, so 3 root 6 root 5. And the last term is 3 times 3 9, root 6 times root 6. And here 4 root 5 dot root 5 is nothing but so we can convert this into, we can bring them together, so 5 times 5. And here same thing, 6 into 5 times 6. If we are multiplying two square root, we can bring them together inside. Same thing, 6 times 5 plus 9, 6 times 6. So what is inside? 4. 5 times 5 is 25. So square root of 25 is 5. 6, this is square root of 30 plus 6 square root of 30 plus last one, 6 times 6 is 36. So square root of 36 is 6. So what is left is 4 times 5 is 20. 6, we cannot find the square root of root 30. So we'll keep it as is. So 6 root 30, 6 root 30. So they will become 12 root 30. And 9 times 6 is 54. So the final answer is 54 plus 20 is 74 plus 12 root 30. This concludes the expansion. Thank you for watching this video. We are almost at the end of learning about algebraic expressions. So we have to cover one more topic, rationalizing the denominator. Followed by, we will do 5 exam style questions. So please check out our videos. Thank you.